Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Control. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're really happy to see you here today.
On this channel, we help you learn real, natural English so you can speak confidently in your daily life.
Exactly. And today's topic is something fun and personal.
Yes, today we're going to talk about hobbies. How to talk about your hobbies in English, and how to ask other people about their hobbies too.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak with Control, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next lessons. All right, let's start.
Alex, can I ask you something?
Of course, what's up?
What do you usually do in your free time? What's your hobby?
Good question. Well, my biggest hobby is making coffee.
Of course it is. You and your coffee.
Guilty. I love trying different coffee beans and new brewing methods. In the morning, I make coffee. In the afternoon, I drink coffee. And sometimes even at night.
That explains a lot. But honestly, that sounds relaxing.
It is. What about you, Sarah? What's your hobby?
I have a few, actually, but my favorite hobby is yoga.
Yoga. That's very you.
Thank you. I usually do yoga in the morning or in the evening. It helps me relax, stay healthy, and clear my mind.
That sounds nice. I should probably try yoga, but I get distracted easily.
That's okay. Hobbies don't have to be perfect. They're just something we enjoy doing.
True. Oh, and I also like watching movies on weekends.
Really? What kind of movies?
Mostly action movies, but sometimes comedy, especially after a long workday.
I prefer documentaries and calm movies. I like learning something new while watching.
See? Same question, very different hobbies.
Exactly. And that's why talking about hobbies is a great way to start conversations in English.
Yeah, you can say what you like, what you don't like, and even how often you do it.
Like, I usually practice yoga 3 times a week.
Or, I enjoy drinking coffee every morning.
Simple, natural, and very useful.
Now, let's look at some important words and phrases we used in this conversation. Number 1, hobby. Something you do for fun in your free time. My hobby is reading. Number 2, free time. Time when you're not working or studying. I watch movies in my free time. Number 3, usually. Something you do most of the time. I usually wake up early. Number 4, in my free time. A very common phrase. In my free time, I play games. Number 5, enjoy. To like doing something. I enjoy listening to music. Number 6, relax. To feel calm and comfortable. Yoga helps me relax. Number 7, stay healthy. To keep your body well. I exercise to stay healthy. Number 8, try. To do something new. I want to try yoga. Number 9, prefer. To like one thing more than another. I prefer tea over coffee. Number 10, on weekends. Saturday and Sunday. I sleep more on weekends. Number 11, how often? Used to ask about frequency. How often do you exercise? Number 12, 3 times a week. Talking about frequency. I study English 3 times a week.
All right, let's quickly recap.
Today, we talked about hobbies and how to speak about them in English.
We learned how to say what we like, what we enjoy, and how often we do our hobbies.
We also learned useful words like hobby, free time, enjoy, prefer, and stay healthy.
And remember, there's no right or wrong hobby.
The most important thing is to practice speaking.
Now it's your turn.
Down in the comments, answer this question. What is your favorite hobby and how often do you do it?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress.
Thank you so much for watching Speak with Control.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
In our next videos, we'll talk about daily routines, work life, and real-life English conversations.
Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking.
Bye-bye.